In this tutorial, I am going to discuss Mosfet, that is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. This Mosfet is of two types. One is enhancement mode type, the other one is depletion mode type. This Mosfet is also known as insulated gate field effect transistor. Now let us discuss the construction of this Mosfet. In this Mosfet, on a P-type substrate, heavily doped N-type materials are diffused. Two N-type materials are diffused. This one is known as source and this one on the right side is known as drain. And over this, a silicon dioxide layer is fabricated. Over this particular material substrate, P substrate, silicon dioxide material is fabricated. And again on end, this silicon dioxide will be having holes on it to facilitate the flow of electrons. And over this silicon dioxide layer, and metal insulator is a metal is fabricated over this silicon dioxide. This is known as gate. And what is the meaning of P-type substrate? A P-type substrate is nothing but the primary material on which the silicon dioxide and gate are fabricated. So P-type substrate is nothing but the primary material. This can be P-type or N-type. Now let us discuss the main principle behind the operation of this field effect transistor. You see, whenever you apply a transverse magnetic electric field on a P-type or N-type material, it creates an electron current will flow through this material. That is the main principle. That is, and what will be the direction of this current? When a current is flowing in a conductor like this, in this direction shown in this figure, the direction of the electric field will be in this direction as shown here according to right hand thumb rule. Or else you can say, when the direction of the current is, the electric field is in this direction, the direction of the current will be in this direction. So this indicates when the magnetic field is in this direction, the current flow will be in this direction. So that is the principle of the Mosfet. Now let us apply a positive voltage to the gate. When you apply a positive voltage to the gate, what will happen? It induces the positive charges on the gate and it polarizes negative charges on the N-type channel. The another main difference between depletion type and N-type is, in enhancement mode type, there won't be any channel between the source and drain. But whereas in depletion mode type, between source and drain there will be N-type channel. And in enhancement mode type, positive voltage is given to the gate, whereas in depletion mode type, negative voltage is given to the gate. Now what happens if you give the positive voltage to the gate? It induces positive charge on the gate and it polarizes negative charge on this N-type channel or between this in the P-type substrate. When you increase the voltage, what will happen? The field will be more, and because of this field, when you apply the positive voltage to the drain also, the majority carriers, that is electrons, will be in this direction shown, that is from source to drain. But in this figure, the drain current is shown in this direction. It is the direction of the conventional current. The conventional current direction is always opposite to the electron flow. That's the reason why the drain current is in this direction. Then coming to depletion mode type, we will be giving negative charge here, negative voltage here, negative voltage here. When you give the negative voltage will be induced, negative charge will be induced here, positive charge will be induced here, and because of this reason, and the flow of direction of current will be opposite to the direction which I have discussed earlier. That is, the current direction will be in this direction from right to left. And because this is n-type material, the number of electrons flowing from source to drain will be less. Because of that reason, the drain current will be very less in depletion mode type. Let us discuss the characteristics here. You see here, when you observe these characteristics, when drain to source voltage is positive, the drain current is more, as explained earlier, in enhancement mode type. In depletion mode type, when you decrease the voltage, the drain current will be less. So this is the principle behind the working of MOSFET.